You want to come out. You're dog shit like your mama. You're germs. First and foremost, the whole of them I pick up for Zoey. When do I pick up for Zoey for? Zoey tell me say one nobody pick up for them. Zoey want to explore. Zoey want to come out. Zoey say Anna breed. Zoey say Mika breed. She want to come out too. You don't understand. She want to come out. She want to be big too. You don't understand. If mama can pay man. And first thing, every different man come in Annie house. And then again, only can't even blame them. You are to stop talking about child. The man should have chop off Zoe head too. Shit in her mouth, chop off head and dash away. Me talk about anybody more want talk about. The man should have shit in her mouth, chop off head and dash away. Come beat me. Black, go suck out your mama, you cry, your nastiness, yo. You see anytime you come about me, you have to come on fake page. I say anytime you come about me in my comment section, me I take down on no man, me I find no address, me I find where no work, me I make no get, me I put out no fight on no number, no workplace number, anyway, I could even Jamaica. No address. Me now wanna joke with me, I gonna show you something. Play fuck with me. I gonna show you something. You don't know how me, you know. Try me. Try blood clot me. Don't black she. Try me. Show you something. I show you say he's not a normal person to play with. See, they are fake page. Come on, fire. Me no want. I go copy your IP right now. I don't know what is IP, you know, dirty girl. You don't know what is IP. I can show you a trick right now. Look how me copy your TikTok name. Look how me gonna show you a blood clot trick. Come here, dirty bitch. Now I'll show you something, dirty germs. Me done blood clot say anything. Zoey a bigger man. Zoey is a look of fuck out germs. Zoey a bigger man. Which part of Zoey a bigger man? Child. Which part of Zoey a child? Which part of Zoey a child? Look at dirty girl. The girl with type, I know you this. You're so smart, me. Hey girl, let me tell you something. You talk too hard, that's what me do with you. Try me. Hold on, let me hide that phone, yeah. I'm not want them see. Dirty or try me. Try me. Hold on. I know she this. I know she this. I know she this, just type. I know she this, just type. I know fear name this. Fuck with me now. Hey. Hallelujah. AliExpress me get it off. And in kids them are dark shit. You understand me? I mean, okay, nobody wants to say, nobody come and talk about Zoey a child. Zoey is no child. Zoey is a bigger man. When you are so cocky and you take fuck, you're a bigger man. You're no fucking child. First and foremost, you make all the man that they with the rah, no condom. Mighty God, Zoey have AIDS. Zoey have AIDS. See, the Zoey have AIDS already. I ain't reach the age of 18 and you catch AIDS already. Zoey have AIDS. Which part of she a child? Which part of she? Eh? The only man I ever did with my ex-man.